Hey guys, Andy Petoskey here. Wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do anchor text in your blog post, or how to attach a link to text within your blog post. I've had a few people ask me about that, so I wanted to do just a quick training on how to do that. I'm actually in my own personal blog, but it would work the same for any WordPress blog. So what I show you will work for your own blog. It'll work for the Empower Network blog. So let's get right to it. Here is a post that I recently did on my personal blog, and the keyword that I'm trying to rank for is numerous or numerous. I'm not sure how to say it actually, but this is an MLM company. So I'm writing basically a review on this company. So if you watched my my SEO training, I talk about how you want to make sure you have your keyword in your anchor text. Now, what am I talking about? Well, let me show you. So this is my article. I'm going to go to my back office in a second, but this is my article on my personal blog. Let me just pull up the post page. And if we scroll down to the bottom of this article, you will see that I have added a link to, oh sorry, there's my pop-up. This is a Facebook training. Okay, let's close this. Alright, so if you scroll down to the bottom of the article, I have my signature, my picture, and all that stuff. Excuse me. And then at the very bottom, I have some text where I also have a link right here. Okay, now as you can see, the underlined text also contains my keyword, which is numerous. You want, or numerous, however you say it. You want to have that in your linkable text, because that will help with search engine optimization. That's one of the tips, that you want to link back to another page or post, and you want to have your keyword in that link. Okay, so if your team does not have a step-by-step blueprint for success, click here to build your numerous or numerous business, unless you have all the leads you need. Now this post is going to a capture page for My Lead System Pro, one of the affiliate systems that I use to build my business, generate leads, and so forth. Okay, so how do you do this? How do you put this in here? Is the question that some of you have asked. So let's go into the post. Here's my back office of my blog. And again, this is my personal blog, but even with your Empower Network blog, it should look very, very similar. I'm on the visual tab, okay? So what you want to do is we'll scroll down again to the bottom of the article. And here is that text again. Okay, if your team does not have a step-by-step blueprint, blah, 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 that's the text. Well, all you got to do to put your link in is this. You highlight the text. So let's say blueprint was what I wanted to have as my link. So if I wanted people to click on this word blueprint, if maybe that was my keyword that I was trying to rank for, then I could highlight that word, and all you do, it's very simple, guys. All you do is come over here, and there's this little insert or edit link button. Click on that. What that does is it brings up this separate box, and all you do here is put in the website. Well, where are you trying to direct them to? Maybe it's your Empower Network, almost a secret, your capture page, or something like that. Of course, it doesn't make sense necessarily maybe for this article, but maybe it does. You can generate leads. People that are in numerous that want to build, they can generate leads through the Empower Network, and then share their numerous business with them on the back end. So wherever you want to send them to, this is what you put in this first box, the URL that you're directing them to. I don't ever put in title here. The only other thing that I do is I do click on this, open link in a new window. That way you're keeping them on your blog in the one window, and then when they click on the link, it will take them to to your capture page or whatever you're directing them to for that second the second page for your link. And then all you do is click on add link, and then all of it does, I'm going to close this, all it does is then creates a clickable word that becomes the link to your wherever you're directing them to. If you're directing them to a capture page, to your replicated website, maybe for your primary business, you can direct them to the Empower Network capture page. You can direct them to a Facebook fan page. If you have some training that you're offering on a Facebook fan page, click here and put in for your link. Put in your fan page. Does that make sense? Hopefully that does. Here's the link that I was using. Again, this is an MLSP capture page that I use to generate leads, and so that's what I put in here. You always click the open link in a new window tab, and then update or whatever. Again, that's doing that because I've already created that link. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you then save your post or update your post, and then you got it. That's it. Any questions, give me a shout. Hey, have a great day.